Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this username is not available in WhatsApp. So if you're trying to create a WhatsApp username but keep seeing this message, this username is not available, do not worry. This simply means the username has already been taken by another user or it does not meet WhatsApp username requirement. So firstly open the WhatsApp app on your device and go to your profile icon in the bottom right and select account over here and then select the username under this account. And as you can see, there's no availability of username in this region. But if you find username icon and if WhatsApp says this username is not available, the first thing you should do is try a different variation. Since every username must be unique, someone else may have already claimed the one you want. And you can add numbers, underscores, or abbreviations to create a username that's still easy to remember. And that is it. That's how you can fix the issue this username is not available message on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.